You've got to be brutally honest and ask for feedback. Most people are afraid to ask for feedback or too arrogant to ask for feedback because they go, I'm already a great communicator and I'm already an effective leader. The problem is you. The best thing you can do is ask people around you who you trust to be brutally honest. And that's something I never did. Ironically, these days, every year I go through a review that my 2 VPs review me. And just like we review every team member once a year and every quarter, well, we do the same thing with me. And I want feedback. Odds are they get feedback from their team, the departments that they run, and then they bring it to me. And even if it's just one thing, hey, give me the one thing, how I can get 1 degree better, I want that. But oftentimes it's more than one thing. There's several different things, and it's still communication. Sometimes I'm a little too intense. I get it, I'm too intense. And so people go, hey, like they've told me, B, when you walk around here with the scowl on your face, they think they're about to get fired. And so now I walk around intentionally with a smile on my face, just so I don't send the wrong message. That's communication. You've got to be brutally honest and ask for feedback. Most people are afraid to ask for feedback or too arrogant to ask for feedback because they go, I'm already a great communicator and I'm already an effective leader. The problem is you. I think it's 92% of the time you are not an effective leader and you're a poor communicator. And the truth of that is Harvard Business School did the study and they interviewed thousands of people, and 92% of these people said that they were great communicators and effective leaders, when in reality, when they put them to the test of communication and leadership, only about 6% were actually good communicators and good leaders. So it goes to show you how twisted and distorted our perception is of ourselves.